In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if you can download from Amazon Prime Video. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you want to enjoy your favorite shows and movies offline. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's focus on using the Prime Video app. You will need to open this app on your supported device. This could be an iPhone, an iPad, an Android device, a Fire tablet, or even a Windows or Mac OS computer. Once you have the app open, it's time to search for the movie or TV show you're interested in. Now let's move on to the next step. Open the details page of the title you have selected. This is where you will find all the information you need about the movie or show. Look closely for the download option. For a movie, you should see the download button. For TV shows, you might find either a download season option or download icons next to individual episodes. If you see these download options, you're in luck. The title is available for offline viewing. If the download button is missing, this means the title can't be downloaded, either for your account or in your region. This is important because licensing restrictions often dictate what's available. Let's talk about using a web browser now. If you're accessing Prime Video through a web browser, go to the Prime Video website and sign in with your account details. Once you are signed in, open the title's details page just like you would in the app. You might see whether the title supports downloads on this page. However, and this is crucial, you cannot download videos directly from the website. Downloads are only available through the Prime Video app on supported devices. If the download button doesn't appear, don't worry. There are a few common reasons for this. First, the title might not be licensed for offline downloads. This is a common occurrence due to regional licensing agreements. Another reason could be that your device isn't supported for downloads. Remember, downloads require the Prime Video app on a compatible device. If you're using a web browser instead of the app, you won't see the download option. Also, the title might not be included with your subscription or isn't eligible for download in your region. Now, let's go over which devices are supported for downloads. Offline downloads are supported on iPhones and iPads, Android phones and tablets, Amazon Fire tablets, and the Prime Video app on Windows 10 or 11 and Mac OS. It's important to note that downloads are not supported if you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, or other web browsers. This is a key detail because it helps ensure you're using the right platform for downloading. In summary, always check for the download option on the details page of a title within the Prime Video app to see if it's available for offline viewing. Make sure you're using a supported device, and remember that licensing restrictions can affect availability. With these steps and insights, you'll have a better understanding of how to enjoy your favorite Amazon Prime Video content offline. Thanks for joining me today, and happy viewing!